Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, I'm going to let you in on a little secret about GPT-4o that you won't find anywhere else. Let's kick things off by introducing the incredible GPT-4o model and diving into its remarkable capabilities for generating text like never before. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the restrictions and limitations that surround accessing the powerful GPT-4o model. But don't worry, I've got a solution for you. Imagine the endless possibilities and benefits that come with unlocking the full potential of GPT-4o. From writing assistants to creative content generation, the sky's the limit with this game-changing tool. And here
Today,
comes
we're
the
going
moment you've all
to
been waiting for.
try something new. I'm going to let you talk to another AI. This AI is going to be able to see the world. It's going to have a camera. I'll be holding it, and so you can
reveal of a mind-blowing hack that allows you to access GPT-4o for free. Yes, you heard that right. In conclusion, let's recap the key points we've covered today and highlight the immense power and potential that GPT-4o holds once unleashed.
What you have to do, there is a tool, chat move assistant. This is a Chrome extension. You have to add to Chrome. After adding to Chrome, you will see options. Add this to Chrome. This is the alternative of chat GPT-4o, which is not free of cost. You can use it. This can read files, read photos, screenshot, everything